After a choppy start to the day and first half of the trading day, the SPY was still driven by inflows. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome. To all subscribers, welcome back. So the SPY was held up by the inflows here from the pre-market and previous levels here. In this chart, you could see that there. And in today's volatility, our SPY buy at 12:15 p.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 50% plus within an hour. Guys, if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to join the members using 42 vision or inflow versus outflow and bots to maximize in either direction through the volatility of the markets and these charts. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. So here we are with the SPY holding up and trying to test for new all-time highs here after rejecting up here near 619 yesterday and coming back up towards it and fighting to stay above 617. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description and top pinned comment to get connected over and join the members using 42 vision, our inflow versus outflow, and our bots, and you can get connected. Once again, that link is down below. So the home run today was from our Netflix spot. Our Netflix spot sent out a bear indicator at 9:30 a.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour. Guys, if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. And let's jump into these charts. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, doing a full transition here from white with red borders, as I call the dip area, to the rip area of bright green bars. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So the SPY was held up by an inflow level and an inflow driven day. We could see here on the 3-minute, this inflow level from 615 to 616.70. We could see it on the 5-minute as well. And then we go all the way out towards the 15-minute, and that has been a crucial level since yesterday. That's the run up of inflows from yesterday from 615 into the close of 618, 619. Hitting the new all-time highs, and that's where we found support today. This is where our inflow versus outflow really gives us that edge to see why things are stopping where they stop, or where they're heading and why they're heading there, right? And we could see that on lower time frames, like the 1 minute. We could see outflow levels here, and when that outflow level came out into the close, it went ahead and accelerated, and the level to have watched was that inflow level that held things up down at 617. Is it guaranteed to retest and retrace towards it every single time? No, but it is a level to watch. And same thing with this outflow level here from yesterday near the all-time highs, and with the inflow levels on the 3-minute and 5-minute, this was a level to watch. And what happened? It went all the way up towards it and slowed down right at that level. And we could see that here even with individual stocks in the closing, and also Apple here with outflows and then inflows coming in into the close and breaking out above it. And we could see that here with the QQQ, this outflow level continuing to hold it down on the lower time frames. Now let's go back up to the 5-minute, and you could see that here again, an outflow level that appeared and rejected at the open. And what did we do? We retraced and broke down through supports and came down to the support level and found support at that 544 570 level, which it's not our first time bouncing. That's how we bounced up from 544 all the way up to 552. And here we are trying to do the same. And this is the level it may retrace and retest, which is 550 to 551. I will be watching for that going into tomorrow on the QQQ. Now, on the SPY, we are seeing here on large time frames strong inflows like the 30-minute, and we're holding up, and we're going to look at those bull and bear indicators now. So we are under bull indicators on multiple time frames, right? We have the 30-minute under a bull indicator. We have the 1 hour here since 613. And then we also have here the 2 hour that's been holding up since down here at 599. And I broke down when that level came up of the bull indicator, how crucial it was to hold up and stay above 605 and break through 607 and 08 and head towards 610 and 612. I'm going to show you guys a breakdown on why that's so important and why these larger time frames matter, because through the volatility on any pullback, it's not justifiable if these larger time frames bear indicators do not pop up to cancel out these bull indicators. So the levels I'm going to be watching going into tomorrow, it's going to be crucial 615, then 613 below that, and to the upside, it's going to be 619, 620, and then 621 in that tight range of possible new all-time highs. And then we'll have to reassess. But I'm going to break down why it's so important that these larger time frame bull indicators, if they continue to hold in the volatility of the shorter time frames like the 5-minute and 15-minute, if we have pullbacks and bear indicators, why it's not justifiable for as long as these bull indicators continue to hold. As long as this bull indicator holds up, any pullback is not justifiable, especially if the 1 hour doesn't cancel as well. We may see in the volatility, like on the 5-minute, it just got a bear indicator here at 607.50, but it does not justify the move to the downside because we have multiple bull indicators on larger time frames. So the key levels I'll be watching to the downside is 605 to 603 and 600, and to the upside, it's going to be 608, 610, and 612, guys. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and gain that edge to be able to clearly see the strength of supports and resistance with our inflow versus outflow and the levels we may retrace towards in either direction, and the strength of that trend that's confirming the move with our bull and bear indicators within the volatility of the charts and markets, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment and join the members using 42 Vision and become part of the community. We look forward to having you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.